we go. We've got our cheese. Now what we need to do here is get out some oregano, because we need some oregano here for our pizza today. Okay, so now we have our pizza. We're building our pizza. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we are going to find our sausage, which is right here. I made some Italian sausage today, and I used it with a spice called Penzeys, and Penzeys is a spice company. Google it and you'll find it, and if you like, you can buy it. It takes 1 pound of meat to 1 tablespoon of the spice, okay? And so we're gonna get this right on top of our pizza here. All of our sausage all over the place here. Nice, delicious, delicious sausage. There we go, okay? And then I have some other things I'm going to put here. We have 4 things. We have some artichoke, we have some delicious Kalamata olives, yes, and some beautiful, this is just beautiful, and I diced it small, some roasted red peppers and some mushrooms. So we're going to put these all onto our pizza, just distribute them all around.
Oh, yummy.
And we're going to have a delicious pizza tonight here in our house, because remember, it's raining pizza today.
It's raining pizza.
Okay, and there we go. We got that all on, and our Kalamata olives. And use your fingers, that's what they're there for. Spread it all out so everything gets equal covers, like that, just like that is how we're going to do it. And then we're going to put these in our Breville oven. We're going to put it in our Breville oven, and we are going to cook it. So I won't tell you how to cook it. Everybody cooks their pizza a little different. You do it the way you like it. So then the last thing we're going to do is put some oregano on the top. We need a little oregano, because that's what goes on the pizza. So right across the top, we're going to do it like this with me. Doing this with my fingers like that, it opens up the smell of the oregano, because this is dried oregano, and it blooms on top of your pizza. So there we have it. We have a rainy day pizza, because it's raining pizza in our house today, ready to go. And we'll show you this when it comes out of the oven later, how it looks cooked. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. Don't forget, I know you want to smash those buttons. Just subscribe, and we love you. Share and like us. So this is Peter Carpizzo's thanking you. Ow!